Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Marinee Regaspi from ABM 11-10. Our topic for today is correlation.
Correlation is a statistical measure that expresses the degree to which two variables are linearly related. It's a common tool for summarizing simple relationships without making a cause and effect assertion. Correlation lies between 1 and -1. Correlation analysis involves determining both the nature and strengths of relationship between two variables. Pearson's correlation is a statistic that assesses the statistical relationship or correlation between two continuous variables. When there are two quantitative variables, Pearson's correlation is applied. There could be a positive linear relationship between the variables, a negative linear relationship between the variables, or no linear relationship between the variables. These are the possible research hypotheses. Ito yung graph ng positive correlation, negative correlation, at ng no correlation. These are the degree of correlation or interpretation. Pag 1 to negative 0.91, meaning very high positive ito. Kapag 0.90 to 0.71 or negative 0.90 hanggang negative 0.71, ito ay high positive correlation. Kapag 0.70 hanggang 0.51 o negative 0.70 hanggang negative 0.51, ito naman ay moderate positive negative correlation. Kapag 0.50 hanggang 0.31 o negative 0.50 hanggang negative 0.31, ito naman ay low positive negative correlation. Kung 0.30 hanggang 0.01 o negative 0.30 hanggang negative 0.01, ito naman ay little or very low positive negative correlation. At kung ito naman ay 0, ito ay no linear correlation. Ito naman ang denotation. X is for independent variable, Y ay para sa independent variable, at ang N ay para sa sample size. At ito, ang Pearson's R correlation formula. R is equal to sample size times summation X and Y minus times summation X times summation Y over square root sample size times summation X squared minus times summation of X squared times summation of square root of sample size times summation of Y squared minus times summation of Y squared. Let's try to answer the example. Nanay Emma wants to know if there is a relationship between the temperature X and the ice candy sales Y per day. Ang given ng independent variable ay 24, 27, 30, 34, 39, and 43. Ang given naman ng dependent variable ay 19, 23, 28, 32, 44, and 55. Para makuha ang xy, kailangan ipag-multiply ang independent variable at ang dependent variable o ang x at y. So, 24 times 19, 27 times 23, 30 times 28, 34 times 32, 39 times 44, and 43 times 55. So, 24 times 19 is equal to 456. 27 times 23 is equal to 621. 30 times 28 is equal to 840. 34 times 32 is equal to 1088. 39 times 44 is equal to 1,716. And last, 43 times 55 is equal to 2,365. Para naman makuha ang x squared, kailangan ipag-multiply ang independent variable sa kanyang sarili. So, 24 times 24, 27 times 27, 30 times 30, 34 times 34, 39 times 39, and 43 times 43. So, 24 times 24 is equal to 546. 27 times 27 is equal to 729. 30 times 30 is equal to 900. 34 times 34 is equal to 1,156. 39 times 39 is equal to 1,521. And 43 times 43 is equal to 1,849. At para naman makuha ang y squared, kailangan mong i-multiply ang dependent variable sa kanyang sarili. So, 19 times 19, 23 times 23, 28 times 28, 32 times 32, 44 times 44, and 55 times 55. So, 19 times 19 is equal to 361. 23 times 23 is equal to 529. 28 times 28 is equal to 784. 32 times 32 is equal to 1,024. 44 times 44 is equal to 1,936. And 55 times 55 is equal to 3,025. After nun, kailangan mong ipag-total lahat by row. 24 plus 27 plus 30 plus 34 plus 39 plus 43. 19 plus 23 plus 28 plus 32 plus 44 plus 55. Sa x and y naman, 456 plus 621 plus 840 plus 1,088 plus 1,716 plus 2,665. Sa x squared naman, 546 plus 729 plus 900 plus 1,156 plus 1,521 plus 1,849. At panghuli, sa y squared, 361 plus 529 plus 784 plus 1,024 plus 1,936 plus 3,025. Summation of x is equal to 197. Summation of y is equal to 201. Summation of x and y is equal to 7,086. Summation of x squared is equal to 6,731. And last, summation of y squared is equal to 7,659. At ito na ang ilalagay natin sa ating mga calculator. R is equal to 6 times 7,086 minus 197 times 201 over square root of 6 times 6,731 minus 197 squared times square root of 6 times 7,659 minus 201 squared. Una natin kukunin yung nasa taas. 6 times 7,086 minus 197 times 201. Ang total nito ay 2,919. At yung sa baba naman, square root of 6 times 6,731 minus 197 squared. Ang total nito ay 39.71. At isolve naman natin ang nasa kanan na part. So, square root of 6 times 7,659 minus 201 squared. Ang total naman nito ay 74.52. So, ilalagay na natin sa calculator natin ang 2,919 over 39.71 times 74.52. Ang lalabas doon ay 0.986. Ang kailangan lang natin ay dalawang decimal. So, ang ilalagay natin ay 0.99. So, ang interpretation nito ay temperature and ice candy sales have a very high positive correlation. Before I end this vlog, I want to share a quote. If people do not believe that mathematics is simple, it is only because they do not realize how complicated life is.
That's all. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something.